Hello traders, welcome back to Simply Forex. Welcome to the live stream. I hope you're all having a marvelous trading day. Guys, as you know, the live stream, this is your opportunity to ask me as many questions as you like. So please get all of your questions ready. We will also do some analysis together, because I enjoy doing this because I can drink while you do that. But jokes aside, guys, it's good for your analysis. We can analyze it together and see what different people are thinking about a currency pair. So we'll do that as well. And I'm going to show you a trade that I literally just got in, guys. All right. So I've got into New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar again. All right. So we're going to take a look at that first. Before we do, let's see who is in the house. Gervan. How are you, Gervan? Good day, everyone. And guys, don't be shy. Come say hello. Say hello, Tom. How are you? How's Gal Gadot? How's Liverpool FC? The usual questions. Yeah, so don't be shy, guys. Say hello, ask your questions, and we'll endeavor to answer as many questions as we can. Fasil, hello. How are you? Thank you for coming to say hi. Thank you, guys, for watching the live stream. Sifo or Sifo, hello, and a member. Yeah, guys, if you want to become a member and turn your name green and get access and get priority access to questions, then please do. Let's start with New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. All right, actually, let's say hello to more people as they come in. So Louis Esterhusen, the famous golfer, hello. Mwezi family official. Okay, hello, Mwezi family official. Phoebe, hello. Every time I think of Phoebe, I think of Friends. You probably get that a lot. Calagero, how are you? The Luxembourgish gentleman. Hamed, how are you? Skelt VIP crew. Right, guys, let's start with a trade that I've literally just gotten into. And this was part of my morning analysis that I do every morning. So we're in a downtrend. Okay, and price, we started selling in here, but price has retraced, okay, even further. And now we're at another nice level. And we're going to talk a little bit about hedging today as well, guys. So, we started selling here, the trade didn't go according to plan, and now we started to sell here as well, guys, because, this is a very nice level. Not only do we have resistance here, we got the moving average 20. All right. Now, if we drop down to the H4, we've also been given a very nice bearish candle at this level. Yeah, that is a very nice bearish candle. And I actually managed to get in at 8237. Yeah, so once this retraced all the way to there, I started selling, guys. But I'm also in a sell down here. All right. But yeah, and that's the trade I'm in, guys. I'm going to take some profit here. Why am I taking profit here? Because the market tells me to. There is support here. The market on the H4 could quite easily do that. Yeah. So I'm just going to take profit here. Yeah, but I'll leave some profit to run if it does come hurtling down. All right. And also, I just want to talk to you about, and my stop's above here, guys. Yeah, my stop's above this high. All right, I've got a risk to reward of 1:1. This trade is all good so far. And I'm going to talk to you about hedging quickly. All right, because hedging is quite a large topic, but really, hedging is a way for you as a trader to, if you're wrong the first time, which, let's be honest, nobody has 100% strike rate. Yeah, my percentage of correct trades was around 60% last year. So 40% of the time, my first idea of a trade will not play out. Yeah, which is, if you think about it, all you really need is a percentage win rate of 60 or higher. Really, I mean, even a bit lower. Yeah, for you to make some money at this game. But hedging allows us, for the remaining 40% where your trade idea didn't work out, it allows us another chance to take the same trade. So I sold here. Yeah, I was selling here, and then my stop was in here. But I don't use a normal stop loss. I'm going to use a buy at this level. All right. So I was selling here. Let's just say, keep the maths easy, that was one lot. All right. And now I will have a buy order up here at one lot. All right. So my first trade idea was to come down to here. Yeah. Didn't work out. No problem. Yeah. I say no problem. Obviously, I want my trade to work out. But if it doesn't, yeah, price has come back up. It's taken the buy order, and now price retraced all the way up to here. All right. Now, when that happened, I took some profit with this buy trade. Okay, so I took some profit up here. Okay, I'll actually show you the H1 candle that I took some profit on, and then I've put my new hedge up here. All right, and we'll see what happens. But I've taken some profit on this buy trade. I've actually entered another sell position here. So even if price comes roughly down to here, I can get out of this trade at break even, but not possibly. Actually, it'll be a case of I'll take some profit at this level. I will be in profit if price comes down to here. All right, because you've got to remember I've taken some profit on the upside. Yeah. But, you know, I still like the idea of selling New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. So I'll probably take some profit here and then leave some profit to run. All right, so we shall see how this plays out. But that's the beauty of hedging. If we go to the H1, it was actually this candle. Yeah, entered my first sell here. My buy was at 8,218. Yeah, and I closed this buy. This buy I closed here, and I've got a new buy up here, and I'm still in this sell. All right, so this is where we are currently. All right, and I've entered a new sell here, which makes my average sell price, there's my sell, there's my other sell, yeah, around here. Yeah, so if price comes down to here, I break even on my initial sell, but I've already taken some profit here on the buy trade. So if price does get to here, I will be in a small amount of profit. All right, guys, and that's where we are with this trade. Hedging, you'll probably think, okay, that sounds like, you know, that makes sense. But hedging is not a magic wand, guys, right? Every time, yeah, this trade, you know, my new stop loss is up here, right? But if price comes back up and takes that out, you know, I've increased the risk on this initial sell, and my new sell, which I've also risked 1% on, is there as well. So if you imagine this wasn't quite 1% because I was building this trade, okay? So, but let's say this was 1%, okay? And then I've just increased it. I exited here, yeah? I've just increased that by about, you know, 0.7% risk, plus this 1% risk. So if it goes against me, I've increased this trade negatively minus 2.7%, which is within my risk parameters of 3%. I hope everyone is still with me with this, guys. All right, yeah, it's something we talk. You know, we've got lots of tutorials about in the VIP Discord. All right, but if this trade comes down to here, you know, I've turned a losing trade into a winning trade, and I will still leave some profit to run. So we shall see, guys. Let's keep an eye on this and see how this pans out. If it does get to this point and breaks this level, I will just close the entire trade and take a 2.7% loss. Okay, simple as that. Yeah, because if we go to the day chart, at that point, yeah, we have broken this last daily high. That is that last daily high. If we break that, you know, then it could be off to the upside. Not interested. All right, so we'll see how New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar plays out, guys. And that's the only trade I'm in today. Yeah, not a lot setting up. You know, I am interested, as I explained, in pound US dollar, but you know, nothing's telling us to sell that. I mean, just look at that H4 candle. Yeah, and Aussie dollar, US dollar as well. Nothing really telling us to sell this as yet. You know, this level is important. Perhaps if we get a break of this, then we have an opportunity. Hence, my alarm is in here, and I will pounce like a coiled cobra if that triggers. Yeah. So there you go, guys. That's an update on what I am looking at today. But let's see what you guys want to look at. Before I do, if you enjoy my analysis, you enjoy the way I look at the chart, my trading ideas such as hedging, then please come subscribe to the channel, guys. Yeah, we'd love to have you. So subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button, and if everyone right now could please smash the like button. Yeah, it really helps support the vid. Much appreciated. Let me have a quick drink while you smash the like button. I'm getting a fight again. I keep picking up illnesses from my daughter. I blame her. Right, what else are we looking at? Afternoon, Brett, Phoebe, Hamed, CJ, yo, Greg, how are you, mate? Say it with Stone. Okay, I will take a look at Lecce versus Fiorentina. I will take a look at that. Crazy game, apparently. I'll take a look at that. Sifo wants to look at pound US dollar. Okay, Sifo, you are a member. So we will answer your question first. So pound US dollar, guys, where are we? So I really like this for sells from a daily point of view. Yeah, what's not to like here? Let's look at the weekly chart as well. All right, you know, the weekly candle hasn't finished yet, right? But this is why it's important to look at the weekly chart, right? Okay, you know, I'm seeing this, guys, right? We potentially, right? But this weekly candle hasn't finished forming. If it finished like that, obviously we've got, you know, 2.5 days left. I wouldn't be interested in selling this. But we can't base decisions, you know, on candles that haven't finished forming. This candle has finished forming, right? And it's pretty bearish. Okay? If we combine that with the day chart that has broken down nicely, yeah, you know, clearly we was in this range and then just chop, untradeable, crappy chop, and then we broke down, right? So we're in a downtrend. Price has retraced to a very nice level, yeah? What was once support becomes resistance. This is just a beautiful pattern set up in the market. Again, guys, I know I say this every other week, but trade that setup. You will have success and consistency. It's such a good setup. And that's what we're aiming to do. But the problem is, guys, you know, we like this level. We arguably like this level, you know, all the way up to here. You can still see there was resistance here, right? But nothing is telling us to start selling. There are no sellers in this market, yeah? I would need to see something, you know, a very bearish H4 candle, but nothing's telling me to sell the H4. If we look at the H1 for some clues, I have put an alarm in here, yeah, because potentially, you know, this is that last H1 level. Yeah, but even then, if it does trigger my alarm, I'll take a look. It doesn't mean I'll trade it. I'll take a look at this pair and see what the H4 is doing, etc. But again, nothing is telling us to sell this at the moment. So I want to sell it, but nothing is telling us to do so. Also keep an eye on that weekly candle, because if that finishes like that, then it puts a different perspective on this trade. So we shall see. We shall see. Right, what else are we looking at, guys? Good day, imaginary. So Tom, what if price triggers your buy order and starts coming down? Now you have two negative trades. Yeah, I will get out of the trade, imaginary. So imaginary is talking about our hedging example that I just did on New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. Yeah, so my new buy hedge is up here, right? So if it triggers this, I will have two negative sells, this sell and this sell here. Yeah. If so, I will take a loss, and I will take a bigger loss than usual, which is why I say hedging isn't a magic wand. People think of hedging, it will get them out of trouble all the time. And it can get you out of trouble and even turn a trade into a profitable one. But now and again, you will take a hit in terms of this would be roughly a 2.7% loss, whereas my normal risk per trade is 1%. But as long as I don't start going over 3%, I'm okay. All right. So yeah, this is what it is. And I'm going to close it here because that would be a change of day trend, and we're just not interested. Yeah, my analysis was wrong. Yeah. So yeah, it will be, you know, a bigger loss than usual. However, I do use hedging every time, and I'm looking to get out of, you know, a losing trade, even at break even. Even if I take a losing trade from, let's say, you know, 1% loss to 0.5% loss, yeah, that's still a win. Yeah, so, you know, there's a few ways we can look at hedging. Right, what else will we look at? And imaginary, if you would like to know more about hedging, like I say, and guys, good time to speak about it. First of all, join our trading community. Yeah, it's free to join, guys. We've got like-minded traders just like yourselves. So come join our free Discord channel. We also have the VIP Discord channel, and this is where I put all of my tutorials, yeah, about reading charts, hedging. We've got things about pivots, trade entries, strategies, fibs, you know, you name it, we've got tutorials on it, guys. So if you're interested in receiving all of that good stuff, then come join the VIP Discord channel. Also, guys, if you would like to be mentored one-on-one by myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. And also, guys, if you would like to become a Simply Forex YouTube member and would show your support for the channel, then you can. And there's loads of perks there as well, guys. All right, so check it all out. Anna, hi Tom, hi Anna. US dollar, Japanese yen, pound, Aussie dollar. Okay, all right. So you were first, Anna. Let's have a look at US dollar, Japanese yen. Let's take a look. So US dollar, Japanese yen. Let's do this one together, guys. All right. So let's do this as one big happy family. And I like this. I like looking at different perspectives of the chart. Obviously, I've got my perspective and what I'm looking at, but you know, you're a very good indicator, guys, of what the market is doing. And by doing this, you will reveal to yourself that, okay, yes, it's a good trade, or no, what was I thinking? All right, so it's quite a good tester of what you're seeing, guys. All right, so let's do this together. Okay, so everyone on the live stream right now, yeah, you've got three options. You can buy, sell, or stay out of the market, right? If you look at US dollar, Japanese yen right now on the weekly chart, would you buy, sell, or stay out of this market? Okay, so everyone, guys, give us your answers. Buy, sell, or stay out of this market. Only the weekly chart. What would you do? We are going to help Anna decide what to do. Daniel Davies, Arsenal fan. I won't hold it against you. Let's not talk about football. We lost. Stay out. Imaginaries, stay out. Yeah, imagine it's just like stay out on any yen pairs. Yeah, they are a bit choppy. Sell like ice cream. Okay. Hamed, I might use that one. Travis, stay out. Pork pie. Pork pie. Reminds me of a Jamaican family in London, and it was a soap opera. Anyway, Skelt, sell. Brett, stay out. Louis Esterhuizen, stay out. Okay, so yeah, weekly chart, right? What is the trend? I'm going to say uptrend. Yeah, I don't think there's too much subjectivity there. I would say that's an uptrend. Higher lows, higher highs. Yeah, so we want to buy, and we are seeing bullish candles. Yeah, all of those are bullish. Yeah, bullish, wick, bullish, wick, bullish. They are bullish, but there's a big but in the room. Where? Sorry, bad joke. But there's a big, shouldn't laugh at my own jokes. There's a big but, right? We're at resistance. Yeah, this big gray zone has shown you before over here that this is where sellers kick in. Sellers kick in. Yeah, it could push higher into this gray zone, but I'm not interested. There are sellers. They could be here. They could be here. They could be here. They could be here. Yeah, so I don't want to buy into that. All right, so the weekly chart, because of structure, because of these candles, I want to buy, but I can't because we're at resistance. And nothing here is telling me to sell. So if I don't want to buy it, I don't want to sell it, I stay out of the market. All right, so weekly is telling me to stay out. But as we know, guys, yeah, we look at a few more time frames. All right, so let's, and just the fact some of you said stay out, some of you said sell. Yeah, none of you said buy. Okay, so this is good. Yeah, you can't buy into that resistance, even if it does, even if it does go in all the way up to 150. Yeah, it's still resistance here. Okay, now let's drop down to the day chart. All right, so same question. Yeah, day chart. Would you buy, sell, or stay out of US dollar, Japanese yen? So everyone get involved, guys. Test your analysis. Would you buy, sell, or stay out of this pair right now? I will have a drink while you ponder your answer. Don't be shy, guys. Come give us your thoughts. Daniel Davies, stay out. Say it with Stone, stay out. Hamed, stay out. Imaginary, stay out. Stay out. Travis from Atlanta, if I remember rightly. All right, guys. So, Math Skelt, stay out. Hamed, sell. Okay. All right. So, the majority, if you're an indicator, you have told me to stay out of this market. Yeah, Louis Oosthuizen as well, right? You've told me to stay out of this market, and we've got to agree. Yeah. So this, yeah, is in an uptrend. Yeah. Even if we think it could break down, this low held. That low held. Okay. Actually bounced off of a piece of previous support. Yeah. What resistance. What was resistance becomes support. How many times do we say that? And price has shot up. But it's shot up to the point where it's at these highs. It hasn't broken these highs. So again, I don't want to buy into potential resistance, not only daily, but this big weekly resistance. Yeah, we've got a bearish candle. Yeah, but we're in an uptrend. Yeah, that low hasn't broken. So I won't buy this. I won't sell it because we're in an uptrend. So tricky, guys. Yeah. So this is, again, this is what you should do with every pair. So weekly, you know, we sort of come to the decision it was stay out. And daily, you know, 90% of you said stay out. All right. So do this. Your analysis every day is really what's going to make a difference to you in the market. Yeah. You need to know what's going on with any currency pair that you trade. That might sound obvious, but people can be quite impulsive or a little bit frivolous with the trade. Don't be. Every trade is precious. So you need to know what you're going to do with it. Yeah, and this is just a stay out. So Anna, US dollar yen, no trade for us. You know, if you said, Tom, you have to trade this, otherwise we will pull your toenails out, then I may sell it. Yeah, because we're hitting resistance. Yeah, we've got a bearish candle. We've got H4 downtrend. This is clearly broken down. Yeah, perhaps a retrace into this level here. Yeah, bearish reaction. We can take price back down to these lows. But I wouldn't like to take it any lower than that because we're in an uptrend. Okay, but if I had to trade it, I would trade it from there. All right, so Anna, hope that helps. Guys, can I just mention, if you look above my head, I have hair. Sorry, it's a bad joke. If you look above my head, you can see my flash funding. All right, so guys, we've partnered with a prop firm, My Flash Funding, and at the moment, they are offering 23% off all of their prop challenges right now. So any prop challenge for any amount, they are offering 23% off if you use code SIMPLY. All right, so guys, I know some of you are interested in prop firms. You know, a great way for you to increase capital. So if you're interested, take advantage of this deal right now. Also, please use our link and our code, guys, because it helps us with our partnerships with these companies, and we can keep offering you these discounts to add value to you guys. All right, so use our link, use our code, check out My Flash Funding, 23% off right now. Right, guys, what else were we looking at? I don't really like the video you posted a few days back. Imaginary. Okay, I'm going to pick up this point just because it's nice. And Tom, I really like the video you posted a few days back. Very good value in that vid about market retracement and that background music. Simply good content. Well, thank you, Imaginary. And I think the editor can take a lot of credit for that, really. So thank you, editor. Yeah, we've got to keep him happy. Remember, he's a nutcase. All right, guys. So there was another pair up here we were looking at. So pound Aussie dollar. Okay, so Javan, I'm sure I'm saying that incorrectly. Pound Aussie dollar. Let's take a look. All right. So weekly level, I know on all of these pound pairs, I like the weekly level. Pound New Zealand, pound CAD, I like the weekly level. Pound yen, they're all at nice weekly levels. Yeah, you can see these highs here have not broken. We are at very good weekly resistance. All right, and yeah, we are just still in a downtrend because these highs haven't broke. Yeah, this wick is the last high and this hasn't broke it. So this area is holding. All right, and we're in a downtrend, lower lows. So I like this area for selling. If we now go to the day chart, Yeah. What do we want to see? So, you know, this level through here never broke. We can clearly see this was an important level. Okay. So we've got a couple of important daily levels now. So aggressively, you can trade from this level, right? So there's two ways to look at this pair right now, right? Price comes up to a weekly resistance level. We get a candle like this or like this. Yeah, we can start selling, right? Maybe this one you got stopped out, but because it's a weekly level, you do need to give your stop a bit of room. Yeah, it's a weekly level, right? So there's one school of thought. Comes to a weekly level, yeah, we can start selling these candles. Now, that will get you in at an early price, yeah, but imagine you entered on this candle, right, and your stop was here. You are stopped out, yeah, and your target was maybe down here somewhere, right? You're stopped out. Now, to prevent that from happening, we can trade, well, to prevent that from happening, we only trade these weekly resistance, support or resistance levels once we see a breakdown in structure. All right, so if we look at the day chart now, we know this is a weekly resistance level. So what would I like to see? All right, so you can see, sorry, we was in an uptrend, right? Still in an uptrend, and this is where we are. Higher lows, yeah, higher highs. So really, this point now becomes pivotal. Yeah. So if imagine we get price does this, comes back up, sellers win this battle, and price breaks this level. Yeah. Then I am really interested in pound Aussie dollar sells. Yeah, because not only are you at a weekly resistance level, you've also had a daily breakdown in structure. You know, and don't get me wrong, guys, that could take a week, 8 days, 9 days. We don't know, but we know this level. This is the level that's become important. Yeah, it was this level. Now it's this level. Okay, and as soon as we get a break of that level, you know, we can think about selling. The problem you have here is, let's say we end up getting a candle that looked like that, right? Nice big red candle. Yeah, not my best work, that candle. Yeah, might be putting that in the Louvre Museum. But it's broken this low. We've had a structure break. Nice big bearish red candle, but we've got another layer of support. Yeah, that's the problem you have with pound Aussie dollar here, if it does break down. So really, you're probably going to be waiting for either get this break and a retrace to give you value to this level, or we break this level as well. Yeah, and we can start selling it then. So we'll see. We'll see. Let's take a look at H4, because it'll be interesting to see if this H4 level holds. Because you can see we're clearly breaking down. Yeah. And, you know, if this selling pressure is to continue, then this H4 level needs to hold. Okay. So again, if you said, Tom, you cannot wait for a daily break, how would you trade this? I would sell from here. If this H4 candle finishes like this, excuse me, guys, I'm going to sneeze. It's my daughter's fault. Keep catching everything. If this H4 level holds, this could be an interesting selling level, but just back down to here. Yeah, that's what I'll be looking to do. Yeah, so it'll be interesting. We've got what? We've got an hour and a half before this H4 candle finishes. But let's go deeper. Let's look at the H1 now. Actually, so let's imagine, right, H4 has finished like this. Okay, closed back below these highs. All right, we like that. Let's look at the H1. Okay, H1 uptrend. All right, but you can see there's a bit of a level through here, right? It will be more clear on the M15. So let's go down to the M15. Yeah, so this would constitute a structure break, just a little area in here. So if we get that nice bearish H4 candle that looks something like that on the H4, closes back into these highs, plus we get a H4 an M15 structure break. Yeah, we could perhaps start selling from here, put our stop above here, look to take price down to here, if not here. Yeah, so yeah, we'll keep an eye on pound Aussie dollar, because I would sell it if if you said, Tom, what you have to do something with it, then I would sell it. Yeah, because of that weekly level. And if we go back to the daily, look, there's bearish candles coming in, indecision, bearish. This not super bearish, but yeah, I would sell it if I had to trade it. All right, so I hope that helps you with pound Aussie dollar. Right, what else are we looking at, guys? Steven Fernandez, Luis who? Luis Suarez, Louis Esterhuizen, Louis, I can't think of another. Who's another famous Louis? Luis Diaz, my friend Louis. Anyway, Aussie dollar yen. Hamed wants to look at Aussie dollar Japanese yen. Also, Hamed wants to know, when are we going to see the face of the dear editor? Firstly, Hamed, you do not want to see that face. No, I'm only joking. Very handsome or beautiful. We don't know if he's male or female. But I think he said 100,000 subs, he will pop out of a cake naked or something like that, he said. I'm sure that's what he said. All right, so let's try and get us to 100,000 subs, because I just want to see that, if for no other reason. Right, Aussie dollar Japanese yen for, all right, your buddy, okay. Louis and Stephen, buddies, cool. Right, what we're looking at, Aussie dollar Japanese yen, it's all this talk of the editor popping out of cakes naked, distracted me. We looked at this, a little while ago, guys. The Aussie dollar yen is rock hard place. That's the problem with Aussie dollar yen, right? This is a weekly buying level. Let's go to the weekly chart. Yeah, you can see there's a level here, and look at that wick and how that's bounced off that level, right? And we've got a daily selling level. So we know this is very good support, yeah, hence this wick. We also know, I can even tighten this a little bit. We also know that this is very good resistance. Hence, we are seeing bang, 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 bang. We're not seeing much. It's just going to, bounce between here and here until we get a break. And only then am I interested. Yeah, get a break to the upside, buy it up to here, get a break to the downside, breaking this low. Yeah, sell it down to here. This is becoming a box of indecision. All right, let's take a look at this and see how it looks on the H4. Yeah, I mean, look at that H4 action. Would you say that's a downtrend or now an uptrend? The market doesn't know what to do with itself. Yeah, we might need a bit of news to get this out of this indecision. Yeah, because that's pretty untradeable, guys. All right, so yeah, Aussie dollar yen, let's wait. Let's wait for a break of this low, yeah, or a break of this high. Then we've got a credible trade, guys, all right? Right, what else are we looking at? Okay, so when are we going to say thanks, Tom? Good to know I'm on the right track. Yeah, Javan, no problem. Glad I can help. The usual, say it with Stone. The gentleman or lady, we don't know. Yes, we do. Do we know? No, we don't. Say it with Stone. We don't know, male or female. We're not sure. Please let us know. Not that it matters. But anyway, Euro US dollar. Let's take a look at that. So we got a bounce off of this support level, right? Euro US dollar. We got a bounce off this support level, but you know, not tradable. Why is it not tradable? Because we're in a downtrend. Yeah, we're in a downtrend. We want to sell the market. We want to be with trend, but we can't sell the market because we're at support, and that's where we find ourselves. You know, and also, guys, it's probably, you know, worth taking a look at the dollar index now, because this sort of, you know, helps you understand all of the US dollar majors: Euro US dollar, US dollar CAD, Aussie dollar, US dollar, etc. So let's take a look at that, guys. Before I do, if I could just ask everyone to please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Yeah, we'd love to have you. Also, everyone, please smash the like button right now. That would be greatly appreciated while I have a quick drink. Okay. Also, guys, don't forget to join our trading community, our free Discord channel. Please come and join that. And also, guys, like I said, if you're looking for a prop firm challenge right now, look no further than my flash funding. All right, we've partnered up with these guys because they're transparent and, you know, reputable. Okay, so guys, check them out. They're offering 23% off right now on any challenge if you use discount code simply. As you can see above my head, guys, code simply, 23% off right now on any challenge. Go check it out. Please use our link and our code so we can continue to offer you value like this. US dollar index. Yeah, so this would suggest, so this is a really good daily versus weekly thing we're going to look at here. Thing analysis. It's not a thing. Let's use the correct terminology, Tom. Come on. So daily, yeah, we pinpointed this zone. Yeah, it was once very good support and then resistance. So we pinpointed this area, right? Price has sailed through it on the day chart. Yeah, so look at that green candle. That has clearly broken that level. Right, so potentially it could come up to the next grey zone. Yeah. All right, this 105 level, big psychological level, potentially. So on the day chart, we've had a break. We've had a break of structure, you know, and it's very choppy and then bang. Yeah, look, you know, that sums up the US dollar at the moment, guys. Yeah, we get choppy, 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 bang. Choppy, 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 bang. Sounds like a song, the Choppy Bang song. But you get the idea, right? And we've broken to the upside. But if I show you the weekly chart right now, obviously the candle hasn't finished forming. It hasn't broke. Yeah, look at that weekly chart. Yeah, so price is yet to break that level. Yeah, so it'd be really interesting to see how that weekly candle finishes. Yeah, in fact, that will heavily influence any US dollar pairs that I take. Yeah, or look at. If we get a weekly candle that, you know, looks like this, yeah, green bullish weekly candle, probably my best candle to date, breaking this level, then everything's suggesting, you know, we've had a weekly structure break. It would suggest we can take price back up to here, if not further. Yeah, but if we get a weekly candle like this, it puts a totally different perplexion on this trade. Yeah, if it finishes like that, that is a hold of structure, and I would be looking for sells. All right, so yeah, we'll keep an eye on that, guys, and we'll maybe talk about that in the VIP Discord as well. All right, guys, so yeah, we're going to call it a day. Hope you've enjoyed the analysis, guys. Please subscribe to the channel if you have, and smash that like button. Come join our free trading community. We'd love to have you, our free Discord channel. All right, guys, have a great trading day, and I'll